Okay, here's a quick video on the new compact batteries. You can see the light is much brighter than the old fuel indicator. They changed, the holes are now on the side for the screws. Looks like the same screws though. So anyways, the battery itself is basically almost the same weight. This one, the new one's actually a little bit lighter than the old one, but it's virtually the same thickness and everything else. Okay, so here we go. So I already took most of the screws out. It has a lot more screws than the old one, but I'm having to upgrade because the batteries are starting to die. So here we go. The board pretty much looks the same. I don't know if they made improvements on the charging, how it charges it, but there are some definite changes. You can see now they come off of the sides like this, and this is all hot, one piece of plastic. So if you want to change the cells, you're going to have to cut this, slide the battery out, and put a new battery in. I've done that where the batteries have died and you can change just one cell. So you gotta take, it's still possible to do it. They changed this heatsink, and the little transistors are FETs. But there it is. That's the new, these must be the newer cells. Alright, there you go. And it is the PBP003.